In this video, we are showing you a Bachata Sensual intermediate combination using a lot of different elements from arm styling, foot styling, and also a little bit of sensual. So, let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when it's like this, you're the one I trust. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky.
Okay guys, so for this one, we start in the open position and we do a normal woman's turn in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now in 7, 8, the man is going to do a spin. So we're doing a quick turn. So we go in 1, 2, woman turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we leave this hand open because in 1, now we lead a woman's turn. In 1, 2, in 3, we change the hand. In 3, 4. And we do this hand position. So as you can see, the hand is not like normally like this or somehow else. We're doing arm wrestling here, okay? So let's do it from the front. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys. Now that we have this position, we are leading this movement for the woman, which are kind of like small waves. So for us, we're only going back slowly, and the hand is going 5, 6, 7, tap.
So for the follower, this position means we need to have a lot of tension with the arms, and we will follow with our leg and with the body the movement of the hands. So when he starts moving the hand to this side, we first have a little wave here, so we go with our feet like this and open here. Then we go and follow the next step. Make sure to not only use the leg but also the upper body that is rotating at the same time with this movement. Make sure to have a lot of tension, which also means, because now we use the legs which are going to the front, that we need to lean in a little bit into this movement. So we have our upper body back, and actually we are a little bit diagonal like this. So the movement can be a little bit more fluent, like this.
Yes. So make sure for the ladies, for the followers, to not only guide with the hand like this, but to have really the good tension in the whole body, so that the hand is kind of like we're doing the movement with leading with the hand, but she's reacting with the whole body. And for us leaders, make sure not to grab too hard the hand, but also to have good tension and also lead a little bit with your body. We don't want to do too much of a body leading, like going really down and down, but a little bit is enough. So we finish this movement in 8, and we raise the hand because now we're going to turn the lady one more time in 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are now in the good morning position with the hand, and we ask for this hand now. We do a change places in 5, 6, and now comes another quick turn for the men in 7, 8. And now guys, make sure that your elbow is here inside of her arm and not over here, because from here we are going to throw the arm into a circle, and make sure to release this hand, of course, in 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, before the followers part, for the leaders, when we throw the arm, we do an open, close, open, close.
So the follower can also do an open close with the leader, or we can do a very small basic, but it's important that you try to keep the same size of steps so you end at the same time. When he throws your arm with his elbow, make sure to make a nice circle and to finish the movement, and not just like take your arm back or something. Really make it nice and finish it until the end, which is here. Or when he offers you his hand, you of course give it to him.
So we are here, we go in open, close, 3, 4, and we ask for this hand again because we are turning the lady again, but now in 5, we do 5 and 6, we stop her automatically in this, so we don't let her finish her turn, but we are stopping her here, and now we are in the shadow position. And in 7, 8, we do caressing for the woman in the side of her body in 7, 8. Guys, make sure to you're not the one that's caressing her with your hands. It's her hands, the ones that are touching herself. So we're only leading it, but we are not touching her. And also, now for the followers, in this position, make sure to have a lot of tension in your arms so that we can stop you and that you don't end up here and now you don't know what to do and you are all messed up with your feet.
And when he does this touching movement, make sure to have nice fingers and not like grab yourself or something. Just keep your fingers long and do it smooth.
Okay, so to continue, we are here in 4 and now we do a 5 stop, 7, 8, and we continue the arm movement going up in 1, 2. And now guys, make sure to lead the lady a little bit up because we want her to go down in 3, 4. So guys, we don't want her to push her down, but we want her to know that she goes first a little bit up so that she knows that she needs to go down in 3 or 4. And also the hands, make sure to not have them here open when you are bringing her down because it doesn't look pretty if the hands are here open. Make sure to have the hands here closed.
But for the follower, make sure that you keep your shoulders down, even if he brings them very close together, and not bring your shoulders to your ears. Yeah?
So we are here 7, 8, 1, 2, and now we bring the lady down in 3, 4, and we bring her up in 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, when you go up for the follower, you can add a little styling with the hips. So we start on the right side, we make a semicircle here, then we go here, and then here, and don't forget to tap.
Yes, so we are not leading this movement, it is all lady styling.
One last tip for the leader. There is one height that we cannot stay on. So it's either you bring me down a little bit or completely. But I wouldn't be able to stay here and it doesn't look nice either.
Doesn't look nice and it's very uncomfortable. So decide even a little bit down or all the way down, but nothing like 50-60%. Okay? So now counting from this point of view in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to our channel and check out these other videos that we are sure are going to help you a lot to improve your bachata sensual dance. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye bye!